Frustrated about what? This dude just skate straight down. I don't even know where the hell he's at. Woo! Shit! It's dark as hell. I can't even see the street. So who's like purple? Can I go you back down? There you go. I see him down there. I just seen the dude and I don't see him no more. Man, Chevy right here, boy.
Man, I was riding out, you know, little exercise.
Exercise. Oh, man, let's hit the exercise then. Look at this car coming right here. Hey, let's go down here. Oh, y'all see my shadow? This is crazy. I love how smooth this street is. What you say? We on a midnight cruise? Look at all these people right here. I wonder what they talking about. Eh? Midnight cruise doing it big. Oh, look at this Hummer. That shit look nice. Where's the Chevy? Just doing it for the vlog. That's how I do it for the vlog. Just doing it for the vlog. Just doing it for the vlog. So I need a longboard, bro. I need a longboard. Sexiness. Alright, so you about to keep going? Or you about to turn? What you about to do? Eh? Keep going. Out on the main street right now. Hopefully I don't get hit. Oh, we gonna get hit soon, bro. And it's good. I know you ain't gonna leave me like that. Oh shit, it's working on the street. Where's that, Siobhan? Oh shit. Just doing it for the vlog. What's going on in here? Yo.
What's up, vlog? Here we are on Greenfield. Man, this view so clear. And the flash ain't on. Vlog still right there though.
Doing it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for that card. Bro, stay where you at, man. Stay where you at. Stay where you at.
Alright, so you know I'm taking a midnight cruise or whatever, and look at this. Almost got in a freaking accident. Y'all see my wheel? Yeah. Y'all see my board? Like, bro, this old man missed me by like 2 inches. My whole heel would have been gone. Let me see my shoes, bro. My shoes messed up.
Bro, the heel of your shoes gone too.
Yeah, he lying, bro. But that don't get us crazy though.
Man, last time I got hit by a car, he just kept going.
That's crazy though. My shit is like tore up. I'm walking to the crib right now though.